Hello my friends, today I will show you how to factorize the following four quadratic equations. So let's take a look. We have x squared plus 5x plus 6. So let me highlight some of the terms for 5x and then 6. So in general, for quadratic equations where the coefficient of the term x squared is 1, all we really have to do is to write our two brackets first with x as one of the terms, and we want to find two numbers a and b so that when they multiply together they get 6, and when you add them up they get 5. So what are we thinking? Well, we can say 3 times 2, that is 6, and 3 plus 2, that is 5. So our factorization is just x plus 3 and x plus 2. So that's very good. Now let's do the same thing for our second question. We have x squared plus 7x plus 10. Once again, we write out the x's first. So we want two numbers that multiply to 10 and add up to 7. So I'm thinking 2 times 5. 2 times 5 is 10, and 2 plus 5 is 7. So the factorization is x plus 2 and x plus 5. Now, for the third question, it's a little bit different because we have negative x and a negative constant term, minus 12. So once again, we write out the x's first, like this. So now we want to find two numbers so that they multiply to minus 12 and they add up to minus 1, because minus x, that's just minus 1x really. So either we have 2 times 6 or 3 times 4. So I think we have minus 4 times 3, that is minus 12, and minus 4 plus 3, that is minus 1. So the factorization really is just x minus 4 multiplied by x plus 3. That is very good. Now, for the last one, seems a bit more difficult, but it's actually just the same thing. So once again, we have minus 2x and minus 35. So I'm thinking we have x and x. So 5 times 7 is 35, and we want minus 2. So minus 7 times 5, that's minus 35. And minus 7 plus 5, that is minus 2. So the factorization is x minus 7 multiplied by x plus 5. So that's it for today. I'm hoping to post more of these shorter and easier maths tutorials here and there. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.